Hi you guys, I'm back with another video, and this is on how to do my wing eyeliner. Today I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. I love this one because it's more of a Sharpie point versus bristles. The bristles are hard to maintain because if you put it in when you're in a rush, it'll start to bend and it starts to go all over the place, and we don't really want that. So as you can see, I'm pulling my eyelid back to get a smooth surface while I'm applying my eyeliner. It's easier if you have lashes on already so that you can just follow that line. To get an actual correct wing, I was always told to follow the guide of your eyebrow. At the end of the eyebrow is where your wing should start to look like it's about to line up with. So once you've done that, then you just draw the line at the top and fill in where you left out. And that's pretty much how you do your eyeliner. It's nothing specific. I know a lot of people have different kind of eyeliners they do for their eye, whatever, but it's best that you figure out which one is best for you, because certain eyeliner looks make my eyes look small and others make my eye look big. So now I'm just going in with some foundation and I'm just going to clean up the edge so that it can look very, very sharp. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, so I'm going to just let you guys watch. So that pretty much wraps up how to get the wing eyeliner. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and tune in for more videos.